Sell now? No. I'm still in buys currently. Waiting till CPI. After that, before CPI, I'll close myself. Alright, gotta be patient, guys. Hi, guys. Do you guys catch the buys? Hi, Case. Hi, 32. What's up, Finessa? Okay, guys, do you manage to catch the buys in the afternoon just now? Hi, JF Gen. Alright. Nah, we have CPI soon, so I would say close your trade probably like 9:25. Yeah, I'll be streaming through CPI, but I will not trade CPI. Let's see if we hit our TP3 before CPI. Eating some snacks before we start trading. Why I don't trade CPI? Because trading news is gambling, and I don't support gambling. Alright, so for you guys, do you guys think that CPI is gonna be a pump or dump? Zelcrop GT from nice. Anyone still holding gold buys from our afternoon signal till TP3? Hi Anthony, you're back again. Is anyone still holding gold buys? Alright, we'll close our price at whatever price it is. Alright, before CPI. You're still holding your gold buys. Nice. I do not trade news. I only look after news, but I can predict lah. I can give you a zone, and then you can yourself monitor. Okay, CPI is a high impact news. You guys can see from here. Right, so CPI tends to tell you about the interest rate. No, interest rate is FOMC. But it's a very, very high impact news. It's one of the big three, right? We have NFP, CPI, and FOMC. So these three news moves the market a lot, right? It moves the direction of the market by a huge margin. So you gotta understand what does each news stands for and what news is important, what news is not. Right, so your CPI is what we call a consumer price index. So it basically represents, the market and the goods sold. What are the prices? They increase on average. How's the economy doing? How's the US market doing? Right, so it's a very, very important thing to understand. So your CPI, your NFP on last Friday, and also upcoming FOMC is a very, very big market mover. Yeah, I already take partials twice. I already took partials twice. I only have like 25% of my trade running to TP3. So yeah. I will just close at whatever price it is. But I do think that CPI is gonna be a sell. If you guys want me to hint. I do think that it's gonna be a sell. But not at this zone. Definitely not at this zone. Right? I'm not looking to sell at this zone. So for CPI, where I'm looking for sales is actually this zone here. A very, very strong zone. So if prices steps into here, I'll be looking for sales. Right? If prices steps into this zone, our 1999 to 2001 zone, I'll be looking for sales here. Okay. So we'll monitor this zone for possible sales entry if CPI pumps up. Right? We stop above previous buy side liquidity, we can target same zone once more. Hello, Troy Shadow. How to set BE? Okay, BE is what we call break even, right? So it's basically moving a stop loss to your entry price. Right? Moving a stop loss to your entry price. Okay, we shall monitor this zone, right? So we monitor 1998 to 2000. Right, so first we're gonna monitor this zone. It's 1999 to 2002, 2002, and then we have H for fair value gap here at 2005 to 2001. Okay, why we're only looking for sell zones for CPI, right, is because we want to follow the trend. We're in a major downtrend right now, so that's why I'm not looking for any buys. So if it dumps, then so be it, but if it pumps, I'll be looking for sells instead. Do I think that the USD will strengthen? Okay, same thing, right? We're gonna analyze our DXY now. We're gonna analyze our DXY. So you guys can see that DXY actually rejected off this nearing to the H4 supply zone, coming back down to retest like how we predicted. So okay, we have a minor support here. DXY hasn't been moving pretty much because there is awaiting CPI, right? So we shall see how CPI does. If CPI pumps it up, then gold is gonna down. I don't think USD will strengthen now. There's still quite a few downside to go, right? So let's see. Maybe it will weaken a little bit more and then maybe back to our H4 demand and then start to strengthen a little bit back to our fair value gap area. So we shall see. Okay, we have 29 minutes more towards our CPI. So we shall monitor two zones, right? So let's monitor this zone. Our first zone to monitor is this zone. Okay. And then our second zone to monitor is actually our this zone. Here, 2000, 2005 to 2000. Where to see all the announcement? It's inside our Telegram channel. You guys can join our free Telegram channel with the link inside our TikTok bio. Just click the link and then we can look at. Right, so we are going to monitor these two zones for our CPI. Alright, we're going to look for sales upon these two zones. Okay, for Forex Factory, right, you can go to www.forexfactory.com. That's where you can see your economic data, economic news, alright? Okay, let's see if we have managed to take out TP3 before our news. So I'll buy CPI. I do not trade CPI, right? I do not trade CPI. But if it pumps, I'll be looking for sales. I'm not gonna try to catch the bottom because we're in a downtrend, so I'm trying to trade with the trend. So these are the two zones that I'll be looking or monitoring at for sales. Alright? So yeah, let's just wait. You can chat a little bit before CPI. Bella and Pepper, morning. I think it's late night already. 10 more pips still our TP3. I didn't eat dinner, I'm eating nuts. I'm eating snacks. Attendance +1. Hi Christy, you're back. You haven't changed your name. Why is it still Christy Loves Gambling? Hey wait, those of you guys who are still holding on to our buys, remember to set BE, okay? Christy Loves Okay, anyways, yeah, for those of you guys who are still holding, we'll close the trade about at 9:20. Lot sizing for layering 500, 0.02, 0.03. I think CPI is gonna be a pump and a dump. Okay, we're about to hit TB3. Alright, who's still holding with me? From our Telegram channel, who's still holding? We're about to hit TB3. It's been a slow day, right? We have NFP and then we have CPI and then prices keep ranging before, so I didn't give you guys that much of a signal. But one signal today and that signal hit TB3. So let's see if we have managed to catch any more better trades later on. Alright, who's still holding strong? You're still holding from 1977.89. You think it will be a buy and a large sell? Yeah, I do think that it's gonna be a manipulation. It's gonna be a pump and a dump. But I could be wrong. Okay, we are 5 pips away. We're trading gold. Fun guessing game. I don't do guesses. I do analysis. Come on. We're just a little bit away. Seems like it's rejecting off a little bit. I'm thinking it's gonna be a pump and a dump. So yeah. I'm not gonna trade CPI. I'm not gonna trade CPI because people who trade news is gamblers. So I'm staying out for this, but I'm looking for this zone for sales, right? Either this zone or at this zone. These two zones. I'm monitoring these two zones for possible sales. This is gold, XAUUSD. But okay, for those of you guys who have been following our signals from the afternoon, we just hit TP3. If you guys want to hold, you guys can set DE and then hold through news if you want, because we're already running about 70-80 pips. Alright? Alright, we're trying to push one more time through this resistance zone. Thank you, Iman, for the follows. What pair is this? This is XAUUSD. Go. Yeah. Thank you, Jazz Swim Singapore, for sharing the live. King of TP3. Yeah, we're about to hit TP3 in about 5 pips. Hopefully, we take it out first. Can you help me identify previous daily highs and lows and the strategy? Can. Yeah, after this trade, right? We're about to hit TP3. So after TP3, I will show you guys how I look for daily bias. Okay, and then while waiting, I'm just gonna show you, right? So daily bias, please go to your daily chart, your daily time frame, right? Okay, once you go to your daily time frame, you have to look at your trend. Okay, this is definitely a downtrend. So of course you have to plot your daily highs and daily lows. Okay, I'm just gonna go to a brand new chart for you. Alright, I'm just gonna go to a brand new chart. Okay, so from here you want to look at your daily lows, right? In a downtrend, you want to target your daily lows. So your previous daily lows are at this area, right? So for what we call a trend bias or a daily bias, in a downtrend you want to target daily lows. In an uptrend you want to target a daily high. So what you will be looking for is, for example, in a downtrend you want to look for a retest and then you want to look for sales targeting the previous daily low. Right? So this is how you can identify your daily bias and how it can help you as a way of looking at your TP levels, right? Trading with the trend, very important skill. Why don't I trade CPI? Because you can never predict how the market is gonna move during news. It's very manipulative, and I don't want you guys to gamble on news. How do I draw fair value gaps? Okay, let's give you an example. Alright, let's say we have a big breakout candle. So this long candle here is a breakout candle, and then we take the candle before and the candle after. This is a 3 candle sequence here. So this is what we call a fair value gap. Right? You plot from the top wick of the first candle in the sequence to the third candle in the sequence bottom wick. This is a fair value gap in the uptrend. Right? So you can just draw across. So this is your fair value gap. So basically your fair value gap is a 3 candle sequence where there's no overlapping wicks here in this zone here. Right, so if you look at your time frame, there are many fair value gaps here. You guys can see, right? In the uptrend, we have many fair value gaps here, right? So in a downtrend as well, we also have fair value gaps here, right? So all of these are fair value gaps, right? This is gonna be a sell. I think it's gonna be a pump and a dump. This is gonna shoot up, manipulate, and then dump. It's priced at H1 fair value gap. Yes, it's a minor H1 fair value gap from here to here. Right, so this is a fresh resistance as well as the H1 fair value gap. But looks like prices are trying to push through this fair value gap. 50% is what we call pivotal zone, right? A pivotal zone. So if you see that it like shoot through the 50% mark, most likely there isn't any sellers left within that mark. Buy side liquidity clear, yep. Buy side liquidity has been swept. So this was our BSL as well. This was the previous high here. Alright. Has it been swept? I don't think so. So we have our buy side liquidity here. So when I look for sales, I want to target my sell side liquidity as well. Right, so we have our BSL here. Where is our sell side liquidity is here, right? The previous session low here. Right, so this is why we want to target our sales later on. So we're gonna wait for our buy side to be swept first. Then we'll look for sales. No worries. What is FVG? Fair value gap. Okay, nice. We have just shot through. Alright, TP3 has been hit. Congrats to all of you guys who have been holding on to our buys, trusting our setup. Alright, TP3 hit. Alright, TP3 hit, nice. Alright, let's go. Let's look for our next setup. Alright, this trade is done. Those of you guys who are inside our free Telegram channel, congratulations. Okay, now prices are still bulling through. Why no news? I tell you already, it's gonna be a huge manipulation. No problem, Anthony. Hope you caught some good buys, right? Okay, because it broke through buy side liquidity, it took out seller stop loss and then it triggered a buy order pull here, causing the prices to shoot up after triggering this buy side. Alright? Is 1993 a sell? No, I'm not looking to sell. Their prices are too bull. Right, so congratulations to all of you guys who are still holding on to the buy. Would have been 100 pips move. Alright, the only place I will look for sell is at this area here. Alright, those of you guys who want to hold for CPI, you guys can set stop loss to break even. Right, I only took one trade today and that trade hit TB3. Okay, so where I will be monitoring for sales, we have two zones to monitor for. This zone and our H4, previous H4 fair value gap zone here. Alright, so this is where I'll be monitoring for our next possible sell setups. Possible, okay? Why sudden fly? Because, I don't know. Hey Jermaine, how's your profit today? Can you explain my morning buys? Okay, very simple, right? I expected prices to range during CPI. It raided liquidity here. Prices form a nice support zone here during Asian session. Prices came back to retest this support zone. I caught it. It's just basic support resistance with a little bit of liquidity, right? Because when you trade ranging zones, the best confluence is your support and resistance. Hope all of you guys caught it, right? We sent it in our Telegram channel a few hours back. Jermaine, the success story of $8,000 profit, 10,000 Sing dollars. Okay, come, let's monitor. Okay, let's mark out our previous day highs and previous day lows as well, so we know where we could target, right? So this is our previous day lows, right? Previous low. This is our previous daily low. So 2008 is our previous daily high, right? This is our previous daily high here. Okay, come. Let's wait a while. Prices looks very bullish, right? Broke out of the fresh resistance zone, breakout. So whoever is a breakout trader, right? You guys know this is where sellers put their stop losses at. Sellers stop losses get taken out, big push up. True for CPI, those of you guys watching on YouTube. Why do you guys want to gamble in the market? Why? Why do you guys want to predict prices? Is there any chances sell starts from 2040? I doubt so unless CPI is really bad for USD. Like way worse than forecasted, but I doubt so. Probably the max I see it goes up to is probably maybe 2009, 2010, where I'll look for possible sells. But for now, I will not enter first. I will monitor this zone and this zone. So if this zone get broken through, I will monitor this zone. So I will send the setup over on our Telegram channel. So those of you guys who are not inside yet, you guys can click on our TikTok bio to join our free Telegram channel. The link is in our bio. Alright, I cannot send a signal on TikTok, if not I'll get banned. So yeah. Sell or buy CPI. Why do you guys want to trade CPI? I don't get it. Enlighten me. Why do you guys want to trade CPI? I'm very curious. It's a gamble. Okay, but my predictions for CPI, okay, my predictions, purely for fun. I do not encourage you guys to trade news, but it's probably gonna be something like that. Come back and then something like this. Okay? Something like this. Alright, just for fun. Prediction just for fun. Euro USD same. It's gonna move the same as gold. All USD pairs will move the same during NFP and CPI, as well as FOMC. If you want a full margin $30, okay, if you guys have a fun account, you guys want to play for fun, I predict that it's gonna be a pump and then followed by a strong dump. Alright? Okay, we have about 10 minutes more. I think USD will retrace back into our H4 fair value gap. Based on technical analysis, we have to look back at our DXY. Alright, so what we can see from our DXY here on the 4-hour chart, we do see USD gaining some strength from our H4 demand. Likely might pull back towards our H4 supply to retest once more, or even possibly our H4 fair value gap here. Right? So when you see prices come back here, you will see gold have a huge dump. That means when CPI, it will trend up. You can never predict CPI. You can never predict news. This is why I never ever trade news. Right? This is why I never ever trade news. How about buy stop, sell stop? I would say it's a form of gambling because, you know, what if prices dump, hit your sell stop and then start pumping up? Hit your buy stop. Taking out both buy stops and sell stops. Yeah, stop orders are the worst, right? So personally for me, I do not trade news at all. Hello, Mr. McDuck. You're back. Welcome back, Mr. McDuck. How are you guys today? Have you guys entered any trades today? Let me know. Have you guys caught any trades today? Let me know how much are your profits for the day. Hi Mike, I'm doing pretty well. Caught. Just took one trade today because it's CPI. Don't really like the price action, especially when it's ranging. But we managed to hit TP3 on that one setup, so not bad. Caught by during midnight, woke up to TP but only recover a bit what I lost. Slow and steady, right? Do not hurry to recover what you have lost. Take your time. If not, you end up over trading or revenge trading. Is ranging gonna stop for tomorrow? You gotta see what news we have. If Wednesday, okay, we only have PPI, so probably more movement. Prices will usually range when it's during CPI, NFP, or FOMC. Then you will see little movement. Especially when it's NFP, you will see it ranges like the most. Yongqi 127 from Euro USD. Nice. Right, thank you guys for the follow. So we are 9 minutes away from CPI. Alright, my setups, I'm gonna send you guys those to monitor on our Telegram channel. So be ready, okay? It's gonna be a fast one. Prices gonna move fast. Knees up or down, I don't recommend you guys to trade CPI. I don't recommend you guys to trade CPI, but if you want to ask me, I think that it's gonna be a pump and then followed by a dump. Pump and dump. How long have I been trading? It's going about to be 5 years in February. About to be 5 years. Next year, February. Your eye is on 2004. Nice. Same. Around there. Should you exit your shots on XAU? You're in money. I mean, up to you, man. If it was me, I would not trade news because I feel it's a big gamble. How did I started trading? Honestly, I got probably like you guys, watching YouTube and then seeing people like earn millions and get scammed into trading. Honestly, I'm selling gold. My target is to sweep previous daily low, but I want to sell around here. Hopefully, CPI does a pump. I'm not gonna sell here. Yeah, so probably like you guys, I started trading, through all those YouTube advertisements saying that you can be a millionaire through trading, and you got scammed into trading, literally, and then finding out that trading is definitely not a get rich quick scheme. Instead, you start losing money for the one 2 years when you just started. You know, probably same as you guys. I got tricked into trading. Do you do personal coaching? No, I don't. You got scammed by a Singapore so-called trader. Okay, let me tell you, if they're earning money from courses and selling like fake shit, they are definitely not a profitable trader. Yeah, I've been trading for close to 6 months already at 1.1k loss. Okay, remember, risk management is very, very important. Is a 0.32 spread in gold considered high? I would say a little bit to the high side. He has many TikTok accounts. Money management is key. Trading psychology is key. Okay, with that, I'm gonna send you guys our chapter 4 on trading psychology soon. Probably tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned for our next free course. Right? Free course. Fuck those bullshit $4,000 course. Up or down? I say it's gonna be a permanent down. What's the range for average income as a full? Okay, I would not recommend you to become a full-time forex trader because some months you can have good income, some months you have losses. It's never always a fully profitable, 5 digit, 6 digit month, right? If you have lots of bill to pay, do not quit your full-time job to become a forex trader. Trust me, you need a stable income, right? So do not believe the lies that guru tells you that you can be a full-time trader and shit like that, right? You have to have a stable job if you have bills to pay. It's not easy. Only maybe 1 or 0.5% of the top traders made it as a full time trader, and they usually become hedge fund manager after that. Do I have a day job? No, but I run other businesses that gives me a stable income. So trading is like my hobby. I treat it as a game, so I'm just doing it for fun to help you guys out as well. How much does it cost to join a VIP channel? It's free of charge. Buy or sell? I don't trade CPI, but I'm looking for a sell, but not at this level. Probably at a higher level here. If you can trade one way, two trade success in front of you. I mean, you guys I'm pretty sure you guys felt the same way, learning forex and then losing for the first 2 years. One, being tricked to have the dream of becoming a full-time trader. But it's not so easy, honestly. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. In fact, you're probably gonna lose for like years. Don't need to join us. My Telegram channel is free. You can just click the TikTok link inside. Our TikTok bio link. Are you burping for OTR streetwear? Who's that? Who is OTR streetwear? Okay, anyways, today I'll only be live until 10 p.m. Right, same thing. I'll be managing the setups after 10 p.m. over on our Telegram channel. TikTok seller. Sorry, I don't know who's that. Maybe one day you go Singapore. Mr. McDuck, where are you from? Okay, those of you guys who are not inside our free Telegram channel yet and want to download our free courses, you guys can click the links in our TikTok bio. Join our free Telegram channel and go to our Telegram channel files. Under files, we have free courses for you guys. You're from Brunei, wow. Why end live so early today? Because it's CPI and NFP. I usually don't live too long during this kind of volatile news. 3 minute, guys, come on, do not hold your trades. Close your trades, okay? If you guys don't want to risk it, it's gonna be very, 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 very risky. We'll be monitoring after news, yeah, same. But I will not be living. I'm just gonna live until 10 p.m. Likely for setup after CP. I'm looking for sales around here. This either this zone or this zone, but I'll be monitoring. So exciting, right? So exciting. Look at those people who enter early and lose their money. Right. We shall be patient, Be patient. Wait for it to hit our zone and then we look for possible trading opportunities, okay? Okay, monitor our zones, monitor our zones. Let the liquidity sweep first. Alright. You're in buys on your fund account. How much are you up? So CPI and NFP should set a direction for the month. Right. So if we look at CPI or CPI, we shall see. NFP was good for the US dollar. Let's see CPI. If CPI is good for the US dollar as well, you will see gold dump so hard. God please, you need to eat tomorrow. Are you in buys or sells? Okay, one more minute, one more minute. Okay, 20 seconds. Let's see what's gonna happen. You then stay, not a lot of people will teach for free. Fuck paying money for causes. Just doing what I like for fun. I mean, you guys are entertaining me as well. It's a win-win. Alright, 1 second. Did the market just hang? Oh, let's see. This is why I don't trade CPI, right? Especially buy stop, sell stop, right? You see, it swept your buyers and then go up. Okay, let's see. Why isn't the result out yet? Okay, we have actual data. Oh my god, actual data is gonna range. Okay, good. Okay, we're gonna look for sales around this zone here. Alright? Monitor 1999 to 2001. Alright? So do not panic. You see, those people who enter sell stops here, buy stop, sell stop, their sell stop is probably gonna get hit and then prices pump all the way up. Right? This is why I do not look for trades before news. Alright? Okay, we want to monitor this zone. Okay, prices here, 2 actual, 1 is good for gold. So overall, it's still considered bad. Let's see how DXY is doing. Okay, DXY surprisingly dumb. Okay, back to our demand zone here. Okay, could be a manipulation. So I'm waiting patiently for my zone here to tap. Alright. So let's monitor 1999. Okay, let's be patient. Okay, let's be patient. Okay, let's see where you guys want to sell. I'm gonna be patient. Okay? I'm still looking for this area to tap. If not, if it rejects this area, prices come back, I will look for sell here. But let's not hurry into a sell, okay? Let's not hurry into a sell. You can't open Octa. Be patient, alright? It's gonna be very volatile at the start. You don't know how to trade. What's the minor zone here? This is our minor resistance zone here. I mean the previous support turn resistance zone here. Seems like it's rejecting off it pretty nicely. You don't know how to trade based off feeling, then that's very, very risky. So whoever that buy stop, sell stop, good luck man. Both buy stop and sell stop got taken. What's my support and resistance? Okay, now you see prices are literally ranging, manipulated both sellers and buyers. So read all those who did buy stop, sell stop. I'm just gonna wait, right? I'm just gonna wait for prices to settle down, after a while, and then we can look for trades after. Don't want to look for trades when it's manipulating both sides. So what you want to do is you want to wait for prices to take out the buyers, you want to wait for prices to take out the sellers, and then you look for sells or buys. But in this case, looking at CPI right now, we have two actual data and one that is good for US dollar. I'll be mainly looking for sells, right? Using as well as our NFP, alright? Our direction will be mainly sells. Yeah, this is why I don't use Octa. No shit. What software am I using? This is TradingView. Planning to sell what zone? Okay, maybe when it comes back to retest 1994. Wait for this candle to close first. Am I using the premium version? Yes. Premium version. Will I send the news in group? Yes, I'm gonna send it right now to those of you guys inside Forex section. I mean those of you guys in our Telegram channel. Give me a while, okay? I'm gonna type out my analysis for you guys. Okay, let me screenshot this data. I'm gonna send to you guys. So we have two actual data and one good okay. Right. Send you guys on Telegram the analysis, okay? Prices are still ranging. So who traded news? Traded the news and got wrecked again. Okay, who did the buy stop sell stop strategy that I told you guys not to, because you see this kind of ranging news is gonna take out your sell stop, pumped up, take up your buy stop and dump again. So both sides got screwed. All you need to do is to wait for news to play out, wait 15 minutes, wait for the prices to settle, form its own zone, and then trade based on it. Simple as that. Alright, all you need is to have patience in the market. You don't have to trade every single movement. GBP, JPY still can sell. Okay, while waiting for Go to do his thing, let's take a look at GJ. Okay, GJ was a nice sell. Prices looks like it's retesting up. Right, so probably we'll look at this 1833.3 area once more. You got 40 bucks while lagging, okay, congrats. Now it's just, consolidating here. But I'm looking for sales today. My bias is sales for today. What broker do I use? I'm using for HFM. Okay, okay. You're looking to long. Okay, I'm looking to sell USD pairs. But let's wait it out first, okay? We gotta wait it out. Okay, I'm not gonna live for very long today because I want to focus on the setups inside my Telegram channel. So probably be ending live soon. I will be hopping on to Telegram to manage the setup and look for better setups for you guys lah, right? So I can be more focused. So for those of you guys here who are not inside our Telegram channel, faster join, okay? I'm gonna end live in about 5 minutes. Alright, today I want to give you guys a better setup. So I'll be hyper focusing on it for you guys. Okay, now we have a nice breakout. So if prices actually comes back to retest, we'll look for sales upon retest lah, right? Yeah, so now we have a sell breakout. So what you guys want to wait for is actually a retest, and then we can look for sales confirmation. Alright? Okay. We know now based on CPI US is strong, so we are looking at sell. But at which entry? We wait for a retest. Wait for the breakout to form. Retest which zone? I'm looking at probably 1990. Okay? Nope. Since we have a breakout now, prices has already manipulated and take out stop losses here. I'll be looking for sales upon probably at 1990 or possibly at 1994. Alright? So monitor this zone and I'll be sending you guys the setups over on our Telegram channel. Okay, I'm gonna end live now. I'll be focusing on my Telegram channel now. So those of you guys who are not inside, click onto our TikTok bio and join the link inside our bio. Alright? See you guys. I'm gonna try to look for better setups for you guys. Alright? See you guys.